Hello and welcome to TelecomTV. I'm Martin Warwick. We're here in California, in San Francisco at IDF 2015. That's the Intel Developers Forum. It's a bit noisy because we're on the show floor, but nonetheless we shall battle through manfully and womanfully. I'm talking with Sabina Bravo, who is Director of Strategic Partnerships at Envivio. And Envivio is a company, first of all, you're part of the Intel Network Builders community, and you're involved in video and the cloud.
Correct.
Good. Now, before we get into the demo that you're going to show us, I'd like to ask you this. Is it feasible and possible these days for video to be involved in the cloud model and go through the cloud? Because, as we all know, video is a special, very special kind of data, requires a lot of bandwidth, a lot of storage, and so on. Has that problem been solved?
Yes, it has. We've been working with, Envivio has been working with a lot of customers, especially here in the US, Tier 1 operators, in actually getting their head-ends, their video head-end virtualized. So the demo that we have here has actually been something that we have deployed at a customer, a Tier 1 operator here in the US. So a lot of the storage situation has been taken care of, a lot of the bandwidth issues. And the demo here you'll see is that we're actually streaming live from France, from Rennes in France, to here, and actually encoding it directly and showing it here. So it is very much possible.
When you come to the cloud and NFV and network virtualization and the transform network and so on, one of the things that's very evident about it is the amount of partnerships that are involved. Mm-hmm. Do you do a lot of partnering in Envivio, and who with?
Yes, we do. First of all, Intel, we've worked really hard with Intel on a lot of the E3, which is the Intel Xeon E3 chip, as well as the E5. So currently our Intel Xeon E5 processors, and then a lot of the hardware side of things where we do with the hardware platform, and as well as to, for example, some of the integrity of some of the streams to get into and out of the internet space. We have partnered with a lot of partners there, and so those are all part of the NFV partners. So a lot of the partners that are in that group we have partnered with before.
Okay, well let's have a look at the demo then. You're going to run us through it, so
okay.
Where should we start?
This is actually something that we start with. These are a legacy approach. So if you see here, we have a legacy approach of everything is trying to come in together. We have the encoding coming together, the edge, the backbone. Instead of having 3 different silos, it's coming together, and it's all going to the edge and trying to do that. Now, this is all being able to be done with the cloud. So everything of this is actually on a hardware appliance base originally, then through IT infrastructure like Blade systems, and now it's through the cloud. So we're able to do with the cloud type of solutions and infrastructure, we are able to sit on top of that, like the NFV, what is supported by Intel. Envivio's been able to go right on top of that with Envivio Muse transcoder, with our Envivio Halo, and our experience server, which does a lot of the monetization components as well. So now it's all in the cloud solution, in the public cloud, private cloud, or even a hybrid solution that we're doing with our customers. Now let me show you what our demo is actually about. So here we have some streams from Envivio Muse that's transcoding. The streams are coming from France. So they're in the lab of Rennes, like I mentioned earlier. And we are having it's actually running on an E5 server, Intel processor E5, with our Muse Live running. So we have here we can load either HD streams or SD streams, or a combination of both of the different types of monitoring devices, as you see. So what we're doing is we're running it through a set-top box. And this is the Roku set-top box that we've got here. We can also run this on any appliance, right, or any device. So we can do it on a tablet or on an actual smartphone. But in this case, we're doing through a set-top box and doing it through a regular traditional television. 1080p 50 is what we're running as far as the video, of the HD video. So let me just show you real quick. It just goes through, if I want to go through the home, it's an application that's on the actual set-top box. You go through the application and it's live. So it's very much live. So Envivio is running, the Envivio Muse is running in France, and we're just saying, okay, let me pick up this streams or these channels that they're loading, and it's loading up and it's showing. So once in a while you'll see that it'll come and go, the streams will come and go, because it depends on how many people are accessing the channel. So that's the comment you were making or asking me earlier about, is it already readily available if multiple people can do it? Yes, it is. You just have to put different servers or different storage or different types of capabilities in your ecosystem to do so. Here it's very simple. We're just having again an Intel E5 server in France running Envivio Muse transcoding, one instance of it with all these different channels. If you do this to scale, which is doable, it's done today, with all the different partners and all the different components, it's very much doable for this to run all the time. And this is really basically what we're showing. It's everything through the cloud. This is actually a private cloud setup because it's privately done in France. But we've done things with private and public as well. So there's also some advanced features that we're working with in Intel. Currently with the Intel Xeon E3 acceleration component, especially the QSV tool, the quick sync video tool, we are able to do some advanced features in Cloud DVR. Things like just-in-time transcoding, just-in-time packaging. Of course, Cloud DVR can also do fast forward, rewind, pause, all the things you want to do in your television or any of your screens. However, you can do this now at the server level. Hence, you can do a lot of personalization to the different users for different applications. So we are able to do that at Envivio with Envivio Halo and Envivio Experience Server, our products that will take this to the next level.